Hello, Hiccups, and welcome back to the window reaction. This reaction is Super SML Store Jeffy had hiccup. Anyway, begin the video.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee in the toilet seat. Jeffy, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe.
Jeffy's dead!
You can breathe, Jeffy. Oh, no.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Oh no, not every swallow. You go to me, how dare you? I was swallowing. Sister, bye! Oh!
Jeffy, come on.
I got Jeffy! You better want to get we're only travel!
You're alive, Jeffy. Thanks, Dad.
Phew.
Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy.
No!
Okay, that's it. I'm going to call a doctor. And he's
Man.
I can't say they're annoying.
Well,
Daddy.
good contribute that or Logan Matters a large subscriber. How do you edit the subscribe counter? How do you do that?
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
Really?
Hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. Oh, hiccups, and I want them gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there.
Welcome to
I'm a
guys.
hiccup specialist. It's me.
Like hiccup especially go to houses.
A hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to Yeah, that didn't work. All right,
Yep.
well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is
They
Not
work.
quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few
Here's
things.
you again.
It's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Here's you again.
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically All right, that's not working. Come on.
Yep.
Yeah, come on. Yes. Okay. Stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Okay.
I really thought that was
He used that in the pub episode of the SML. I'll show you right now.
Work.
Here it is. See, look the difference. I probably will upload that to probably finish on you guys during Halloween. What are you going to do with the finish on the reaction for the in the moon for Marvel 51? Yeah, actually, I spoiled, my bad. But I'm going to do a Marvel 51 in the moon soon. So,
What?
All right. Okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
it always work. Really?
On to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right. So stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah.
Really?
Alright, on to stage 4. Alright, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Whoa!
Crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
Alright, let me go get my goggles. Boom!
Really?
Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. Alright, let's do this!
Okay.
Alright, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also have a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Oh no.
Alright, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know, that's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose the wire, Jeffy.
Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you? Oh, man.
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. Alright, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
Alright, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
Alright, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Tom.
Alright, everybody, put
Why
yourself
you
on the counter
help,
and make sure it's open. That's good. Alright,
Logan, I think you have to do. Logan, in watching the video, did you pay for this item when you were doing the SML movie?
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet.
That's
I must have
good
left it at
thing.
home. Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We already opened it, and I drank my drink, but what are we gonna do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing! Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we
That was stage 7.
all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom! Alright, I had to try just one more time.
Yeah.
I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Oh no.
Get out of here! Yes.
Right, then let them know.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? I don't think so. Wait, I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Go!
No, please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
SML question. How will you scale someone if you have to? Balloon, everybody. Put someone off. I don't know. But after this, when the rest of the video, that video will be alive soon. Please make sure to subscribe. For now, keep watching. See you later. Bye.